The ancient city of Ayodhya is set for a spectacular Deepotsav tonight, marking the eve of Diwali. With an impressive display of over 24 lakh diyas, at 51 ghats, the city will be aglow in a sea of lights. Adding to the enhancement, the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi path will be adorned with a variety of flowers, enchanting the festive spirit of Deepotsav 2023. This celebration is a collaborative effort involving 12 government departments and the district administration with 25,000 volunteers contributing to the grandeur. The festivities encompass a myriad of elements, including cultural events, a digital screen showcasing Ayodhya's rich history, and the beautification of the city. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath describes it as a rehearsal before the grand opening of the Ram Temple in January. Officials aim to set a world record by illuminating 24 lakh diyas at 51 ghats along the 3-day Deepotsav from November 10 to 12. Despite the target being 21 lakh diyas, preparations for an even grandeur display are underway. Approximately 25,000 volunteers will contribute to this dazzling spectacle, unleashing the Diwali festivities. This year, a captivating light and sound show will debut at Ram Ki Pauri, scheduled to run for the next 5 years. Notably, the district administration plans to establish the country's largest digital screen. The Grand Deepotsav will attract visitors from various places, including tribal communities from the Pakur district of Jharkhand, promising a truly remarkable celebration. Uttar Pradesh Tourism and Cultural Minister Jaiveer Singh kicked off the Shobha Yatra for Deepavali in Ayodhya on Saturday, November 11th, with over 50 envoys from different countries witnessing the Sanatan culture during the festivities. The tableau procession, starting from Saket Degree College and featuring 7 tableaus from the Uttar Pradesh Tourism Department, will showcase the craftsmanship of artisans from across the state. The procession, which includes 11 tableaus from the Information Department, depicts various stories from the Ramayana. The Grand Deepotsav program in Ayodhya will begin at 3 p.m. with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath witnessing the tableau procession at Ram Katha Park. The Chief Minister will crown Lord Ram and will perform Aarti and inaugurate the Festival of Lights at Ram Ki Pauri. High Commissioner and Ambassador from over 50 countries will also attend the event. The Yogi Adityanath government is set to surpass its own record by illuminating 24 lakh earthen diyas, raising the bar from last year's 15.76 lakh. The local municipal corporation will collaborate in preparing the ghats, ensuring cleanliness and order before the placement of the diyas. Volunteers have been instructed to pour 30 ml of mustard oil into each diya. The grid layout will feature designated spaces to facilitate the movement of volunteers, distributing cotton wicks and oil on the final day. As part of the Deepotsav in Ayodhya, individuals can participate by contributing as little as Rs 51 for 1 diya or Rs 1,100 for 51 diyas. Their illuminated diyas will be placed at specified locations chosen by them through a user-friendly virtual platform developed by Ayodhya Development Authority for this purpose.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.